to have a run with the bat. Now, what do you want? As a Pakistani fan, you want Saibzada Farhan to hit the ground running. He's promised a lot. He's got 4 centuries this year in T20 cricket. He's just got a little problem with the ball seeming back in, but he's very dynamic at the top of the order. Simon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I've got your back. I don't want you to disappoint. Oh, it's the inside edge there. If not, it's gone. Finger goes up. That looked very straight. Ambitious shot first up. And if he's not edged this, I would not review it. Swing onto the middle of the bat. Clipped away. Fielder's got work to do, and he doesn't do it. Oh, chance. Dropped. Should have been 2. Nice catchable height. The ball. For more reason to be a bit more circumspect early on. Up and over. Very straight as well off the back foot, and it's going to bounce away for 4. Over wide mid-off. Backs away. Creates the width. Didn't get all of it though. They push for 3.
Saving positions.
Big shout, maybe just sliding down. Probably what the umpire feels as well, but it's worth the discussion.
Coming from the middle of the bat. Now that's another example of a mishit, because the idea was to get it to just paddle.
Yeah, catches the call, but it's placed well. Straight back past the bowler, and a much needed boundary after 15 deliveries. On and long off on the fence. And it doesn't matter, but he's got that right out of the middle, Mohammad Haris. And that's got him off and running.
Now that's a brilliant shot. Just the way it took off from the bat.
It takes him on again. A low full toss and dealt with perfectly. It's an expensive over and much needed one before they close the power play out. And maybe just has picked up few bounces into the vacant mid-wicket for 4.
He's got.
No, leg spin doesn't matter. At the moment, the ball's pinging off Haris's bat, and he picks up 2 sixes now. That is some shot. That's picked up nicely as well. Ends the over with 4. Another expensive one for Oman. 12 of the 8. Pakistan 66 for 1.
Bowler they're using. Oman, slow ball, picked up beautifully into the stands. What a shot. That brings up his 50. Just off 32 deliveries, strike rate of 156 with 3 massive 6s and 5 4s.
He goes again, but he hasn't got this completely. Well, it was a chance, but it's gone for 4. It would have been a spectacular catch had he got there, Srivastava. Chance, and he takes it. Big celebration as well. First wicket for him against Pakistan, and he's going to treasure that one.
Absolutely. Farhan was looking to play extra cover inside out, but there was a quicker delivery, came back, hence got the inside edge straight to the bowler.
Long way across, and he hits the gap. Smart batting, he knew that fine leg was in the circle.
Goes reverse, doesn't succeed. He's off on a run, his Amir, because he's got the big wicket. Full toss, and he's hit it deep mid-wicket, straight down the fielder's throat. Cannot believe that. Neither can Salman Ali Agha. Hit down the ground and hit very well. One bounce into the fence. Fakhar Zaman taking charge.
I just love the way he stayed low while hitting that shot down the ground.
It's picked it up on the offside. Does it carry the fence? It doesn't. It's straight to that sweeper on the boundary, and the slow one does it for Hasan Nawaz.
Another wicket gone for Pakistan. Another very sensible delivery, clever delivery. Great shot, brilliant shot from Nawaz. He's in great nick. 4 of the first ball.
Slashes it through the offside. It had some power on that. And the form that you talk about, Wasim Akram for Nawaz, playing dividends here. Cheeky, smart and effective. The runs are coming thick and fast courtesy Nawaz. Back-to-back boundaries now.
Sensible cricket that shows that his
That is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Gets it through. Can the fielder cut it off? Nah, goes over. And pick up a 4. So Nawaz now third boundary for him. 4th in fact. Ceding a boundary here. Should be taken. Is taken. Brilliant stuff from Oman. They've pegged another one back. That is 6 down now for Pakistan. Nawaz goes for 19.
Yeah, what a spell from Faisal as well. That was his.
Slashes and slashes hard, and that shot will pay and get him 4 because the field up. So not the best of deliveries with Pakistan. They pick up 4 more.
Yeah, the idea was okay. Idea was right. He was.
Is that out of the middle? No, it's not. Hangs in the air. Another good catch taken. And catching, barring that first.
इनिंग की और बिल्कुल जड़ में शाहीन शाह अफरीदी यहाँ पे 2 रन तो लेने में कामयाब रहेंगे, लेकिन अगर आप देखें तो नदीम का ओवर ये अच्छा रहा है। 12 रन और 1 विकेट इस 20वें ओवर से, और 20 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ है। टॉस जीत के पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का निर्णय लिया था और अपने 20 ओवर में पाकिस्तान ने 160 रन बनाए।